So now let's move to the fifth category of the soil, that is arid soil. So जैसे हम लोगों ने मैप में ऑलरेडी देख रखा है इसको कि it is basically was found in the desert area. So in the first point of this we will write about, so it is found in western Rajasthan. As it is found in the desert area, basically it has very low rainfall, so that point also we can mention. And this soil is also known as desert soil also. The color of this soil is basically, its color varies from red to brown. It is, as it is found in the desert area, so it is basically sandy in structure. Sandy in structure, and it is saline in nature. Sometimes in some parts the salt content is so high कि basically the saline water is evaporated in that place and the salt is formed in that. So we have some places where the saline amount is very high in this. So about the next point, that is fourth. In this one the content basically, as it is found in the desert area and have very low rainfall, so in this one basically it has low humus and organic content. And in this one also it has, so basically it has low humus and organic content, so it can't be used for the agriculture or can say the cultivation. So the next point, it has low amount of nitrogen, phosphate, so these are the components which are used as a fertilizer. So it has low amount of nitrogen also, but in this one phosphate is normal. The lower region, the upper region is basically sandy in structure, and the lower region is basically has the conker in that, the pebbles like. So in the sixth point of this we can write the lower region of this soil is covered with pebbles or can say conker. So we have only this much in arid soils or can say the desert soil, and now we will move to the sixth category, that is saline soil. सो जो सैलाइन सॉइल है उसे हम लोग ऊसर सॉइल भी कहते हैं. इट इज जस्ट बिकॉज it is ऊसर and it is unfertile or can't be used for the cultivation and agriculture. So we have now the saline soil. The sixth point. So in the first point we already told you it is also known as ऊसर. It contains large amount of nitrogen, potassium and magnesium. So because of all these contents, it has the large proportion of this. These contents make it ऊसर. So second point we wrote. So you can notice in this nitrogen, potassium and magnesium, these are all salty content. So because of high amount of salt, this is ऊसर and it is used for the formation of salt. So it has more salt and it's largely because of dry climate and poor drainage system. So because of this dry climate and drainage system, the flow of water is not there, and it is basically because of dry climate, the pure water evaporates and the salty components remain in the ground. That makes it to have the more salt. And the next point in this, it basically the places in which it is found. It's basically found in Gujarat, the coastal areas, of Orissa and Sundarban area in West Bengal. So it is found in those regions basically, and some part of Haryana and Punjab also. So this one we can write in the fourth point. Okay, it is basically found in this region. And one more point, it has less content of nitrogen and potassium. It has less content of nitrogen and potassium. So because of that, it is not used for cultivation. And the one more point in this that is very much important, due to the excessive irrigation in some parts, basically this saline soil is used for the cultivation. like places in Haryana and Punjab, there we have enough amount of rainfall. Because of that, it is used there for the cultivation. But due to the excessive irrigation, as I already told you, it is found in the dry climate. So because of excessive irrigation means irrigation basically the supply of water, the cultivation is done there. So because of that excessive irrigation in dry climate, the pure water basically evaporates. The pure water basically evaporates, and the salty components are remain in the ground. So basically the places like Punjab and Haryana, the upper layer gets high amount of the salt components. So that basically makes it uncomfortable and not suitable for agriculture. So it is advised for them to use gypsum. It is advised for them to use gypsum for the cultivation, because gypsum basically it converts the salty components in other neutral components. So basically उन components से जो soil है उसको कोई harm नहीं होता है. So this is about the saline soil, and now we will move to the another category.